Today I'm gonna show you how to download ISO file for Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. All you need to do, just open your browser and type like me ISO file and you will see this first PowerISO. Click on it and you will see download now. Click this, choose here system 32 bits and save your installation. After that, just open ISO file like me, go here yes, and you will see this new window. Go here accept and go here decline and go install. Go here next and go here close. After that you have PowerISO on your PC. And that's it all guys for this video, how to download and install ISO file for Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.